Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to learn the lessons of your life.
Now, today's topic, the Bhagavad Gita series, part 8. What is thought? Once, Arjun was resting in his palace. He was in a good mood at that time. They were sitting and thinking very good things. And at that time, only positive thoughts were coming in his mind. Then, suddenly, a negative thought came in his mind that I am sitting here resting, and what will happen if there is an attack on my kingdom tomorrow? We have not made any preparation for this. Arjun knew that nothing like this was going to happen. It is just a negative thought that is bothering me. The more Arjun was trying to forget this thought, the more it bothers him. Finally, he thought that now I should go to Lord Krishna and ask for help. And he immediately got up and went to meet Krishna. Arjun approached Krishna and asked, Lord, what is thought and why does this bother us so much? Krishna smiled and said, Thought is simply a fantasy which made up of your own knowledge and information. Anything a person learned, his thought is formed in the same way. And if the issue of problem, then no thought ever bothers us. If this had happening, when would this world have been destroyed? Because many thousands of thoughts come to a person's mind every day. And if it happens, the thoughts bother the person, so everybody would be mad today. Arjun asked, why do we nervous with our bad thoughts? And how can it be overcome? Krishna smiled and said, not any thought would be create nervousness, whether it is positive or negative thought. If something creates nervousness, then that is emotion which is connected with those thoughts. As long as such thoughts keep coming in the mind of the person which does not match with his feelings, then the person does not consider what is going in his mind. Even people do not remember that what thoughts come to his mind just a while ago. But whenever any thoughts come that connected person's emotion, then the person start thinking about that thought. And the more a person give the thought a place to stay in his mind, the more he looked at the thought, the more that thought start to bothering him, because that thought is connected to his emotion, and emotion neither gives pleasure or create fear. And now we talk about how to control it. So there is only way. People has no fully understand both this thought and feelings. If a person will fully understand his thoughts and feelings, then that person will not consider what kind of thought are going on his mind, because he would know that the present situation or the present life does not affect due to the arrival of any thought. They are just feelings that force one to consider on the thoughts. Then that person will completely free. Arjun fully understood words of Krishna, and listening to all these things, Arjun was very happy and thanked Krishna for helping him and giving this supreme knowledge.
Watch this video in Hindi on my second channel, Infinite Intellect Hindi. Link is in description. I hope you like this video. Then do like, comment, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for new updates. Thank you for the watching. Stay safe and stay happy.